So for our software application, I use Canva. So these are the three basic things you need to know in Canva. First is you create a document. Once there's a document, you'll wait. There's an option that you can put any design, backgrounds, styles, like this. I'm using a free Canva, so I'm gonna use this. The second one is the text. You click this letter T and add text box. You can use this Canva to do your assignments, make a letter, make a task performance, or others you want to edit. There's also an option for other stuff other than using an A4. Here we have social media editor, photo editor, video, sheet, presentation, for printing, document, whiteboard, and website, and more. These are the works I've done before. It's all document, presentation. That's all.